Lightspray technology is a revolutionary approach to illumination that combines advanced materials science with cutting-edge application methods. At its essence, this technology involves spraying light-emitting materials onto surfaces to create thin, uniform layers of light. This innovative process eliminates the need for bulky fixtures and traditional bulbs, making it a game-changer for modern design and energy efficiency. The secret behind Lightspray technology lies in its use of nanomaterials and photoluminescent compounds. These materials emit light when activated by electricity or specific wavelengths, allowing surfaces to radiate a seamless, vibrant glow. The application process is highly precise, enabling custom patterns, gradients, or even dynamic lighting effects to be integrated directly onto surfaces. The versatility of Lightspray technology is one of its greatest strengths. It can be applied to a wide range of materials such as metal, glass, plastic, and textiles. In architecture, it turns walls, ceilings, and even outdoor structures into glowing canvases. In the automotive industry, it enables vehicles to have illuminated exteriors, enhancing both aesthetics and safety. Fashion designers are also leveraging this technology to create futuristic, wearable light displays. Beyond its design potential, Lightspray technology is energy efficient and eco-friendly. It consumes significantly less power compared to traditional lighting solutions while producing minimal heat. This makes it an excellent choice for sustainable development in smart homes, energy-conscious buildings, and eco-friendly cities. In summary, Lightspray technology is more than just an innovation. It's a paradigm shift in how we illuminate spaces. By merging beauty, efficiency, and sustainability, this technology is paving the way for a brighter, smarter future. The Ryse Recon Personal eVTOL aircraft represents a groundbreaking leap in personal mobility. Designed as an all-electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, it is engineered to make flight accessible to everyone. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or managing agricultural land, the Recon redefines convenience and efficiency. With its sleek, compact design, the Ryse Recon is powered by 6 electric propellers, ensuring stability and safety in the air. It boasts a flight range of approximately 25 miles on a single charge, with a top speed of 63 miles per hour. Its fully rechargeable battery can be conveniently swapped or recharged within a few hours, making it both practical and sustainable. The Recon is designed to be intuitive. It features a simplified control system, allowing users with minimal training to take to the skies. No pilot's license is required in most areas, thanks to its classification as an ultralight aircraft under FAA regulations. Safety is a priority for Ryse. The Recon incorporates advanced features like automatic altitude control, collision avoidance systems, and redundant power sources. In addition, its lightweight carbon fiber frame ensures both durability and energy efficiency. Targeted for recreational, agricultural, and inspection purposes, the Recon is ideal for off-road terrains and regions with limited infrastructure. It is fully amphibious, capable of landing on water, adding versatility to its operation. As personal air mobility becomes a reality, the Ryse Recon stands out as a symbol of innovation and practicality. Its combination of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design makes it a promising solution for the future of urban and rural transportation. Introducing the Jedsy X, an innovative electric drone designed to revolutionize medical deliveries. This eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft is engineered for efficiency, seamlessly transitioning between hover and fixed-wing flight to transport essential supplies swiftly and safely. The Jedsy X features an advanced propulsion system, including 8 motors for hovering and 2 for cruising, enabling a maximum range of 120 kilometers. With a payload capacity of 3 kilograms, it operates efficiently in various weather conditions, enduring wind speeds up to 29 knots and temperatures ranging from -20 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius. It boasts a cruising speed of 59 knots, offering precision and reliability with a flight endurance of up to 118 minutes. One of its standout features is the Jedsy Mailbox, a unique docking solution mounted on windows or balconies for secure and contactless delivery. Paired with the Jedsy app, users can track shipments in real time and manage deliveries seamlessly. Committed to privacy and safety, The drone uses blurred video feeds for landing and integrates advanced sensors for navigation. Additionally, it emphasizes sustainability by using green materials and clean energy, with production rooted in eco-friendly practices. The Jedsy X is more than a drone. It's a game-changer in healthcare logistics, bridging gaps with cutting-edge technology and a commitment to bettering lives globally. The Humane AI Pin is a revolutionary leap forward in wearable technology. Small, sleek, and minimalist in design, it reimagines how we interact with the digital world. Gone are the days of staring at screens or carrying bulky devices. The AI Pin fits seamlessly into your life, offering powerful features without disrupting your natural flow. At its core, the Humane AI Pin is driven by advanced artificial intelligence, which allows it to respond intelligently to voice commands, gestures, and context. It features cutting-edge sensors and microphones that enable it to understand your environment and anticipate your needs, all while remaining discreet and unobtrusive. With this pin, your interactions with technology become more natural and intuitive. What truly sets the Humane AI Pin apart is its ability to project information onto nearby surfaces. Whether you need to check a message, view an image, or even display directions, the AI Pin can cast visuals anywhere you need them, eliminating the need for a phone screen or other displays. It's a hands-free, eyes-free experience, empowering you to stay connected without the distraction of constantly looking down at a device. The AI Pin doesn't just serve as a personal assistant, it acts as your private guide. It can help with everything from managing your calendar, translating languages in real time, to providing recommendations based on your preferences. Imagine having a smart assistant that's always with you, adapting to your needs as you move through your day. Privacy and security are top priorities for Humane. The AI Pin is designed to keep your personal data safe, with no external servers storing your sensitive information. All processing happens on the device, ensuring that your interactions stay private and secure. Lightweight, elegant, and incredibly powerful, the Humane AI Pin represents the future of personal technology. It's not just another gadget. It's a whole new way of living with AI that's designed to fit into your life, not interrupt it. With the Humane AI Pin, the world of smart technology has finally become intuitive, seamless, and truly personal. The MYO armband is a revolutionary wearable device that translates the electrical signals generated by your muscles into digital commands, allowing you to control your environment with simple gestures. This sleek, adjustable armband fits comfortably around your forearm, making it easy to wear throughout the day. It uses cutting-edge electromyography, EMG, technology to detect muscle activity, which is then interpreted into movements or actions. Imagine controlling your smartphone, tablet, or computer without touching a screen or keyboard. With the MYO armband, you can swipe, scroll, and navigate by simply moving your hand, clenching your fist, or twisting your wrist. The device recognizes specific gestures, whether it's a wave, a fist clench, or a simple flex, and instantly translates them into actions on your connected devices. Designed with Bluetooth technology, the MYO armband connects seamlessly to a wide range of devices. Whether you're playing a game, giving a presentation, controlling a drone, or adjusting your smart home settings, the MYO armband gives you the power to interact with technology in a way that feels natural and intuitive. The device's lightweight, ergonomic design ensures it's comfortable for long periods of use, making it perfect for professionals, tech enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a futuristic, hands-free way to interact with their digital world. Its ability to recognize even subtle muscle movements offers a level of control and precision that's unprecedented in wearable tech. With the MYO armband, the possibilities are endless. It's not just a gadget, it's a game changer. From simplifying daily tasks to offering a new way to engage with your technology, the MYO armband redefines human-computer interaction. It's the future of wearable technology, all within the palm of your hand, or rather, the flex of your muscle. Today, let's explore the concept of MO/Go, a powerful combination of momentum optimization and goal orientation. It's a simple, yet effective approach that can transform the way you work and live. MO, or momentum optimization, is all about harnessing the power of momentum. It's the energy that drives progress. Without momentum, even the best plans can stall. MO is about creating systems that make action feel effortless. It's about setting up routines, habits, and environments that keep you moving forward with less resistance. On the other hand, GO stands for goal orientation. It's the why behind every action. To achieve success, you need a clear target. GO means having a specific goal in mind that gives meaning to your momentum. It's about being focused, intentional, and purposeful with every step you take. When combined, MO/GO creates a synergy. By optimizing your momentum and aligning it with your goals, you unlock a powerful cycle of continuous progress. The key is to move with intention. With MO, you eliminate obstacles that slow you down, and with GO, you ensure each action serves a purpose. In a world full of distractions, MO/GO helps you stay on track. It's about moving in the right direction and doing so with purpose and efficiency. So, how can you apply this to your own life? Start by optimizing the small things, your daily habits, your routines. Then, set clear, actionable goals that keep you motivated. With MO/GO, you'll be moving forward with clarity and purpose, achieving more with less effort.